Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a great new way to jailbreak both old and new iOS devices. This tutorial works for old versions from iOS 12 and up using the modified Unc0ver Jailbreak, which comes with Cydia. I asked ChatGPT to find the best jailbreak method available, and it suggested a site called CodesGPT.com. A GPT store developer created CodesGPT.com, which is the best site for working jailbreaks. The site works by starting data from all over the internet, and its algorithm processes this to source the best working jailbreak site. I am on the site, and you can see the built-in jailbreak prompts here, and I also like the Unc0ver Jailbreak. CodesGPT.com recommends that we visit this site to get our Unc0ver Jailbreak. VIPjailbreak.com. It also comes with Cydia, which is an alternative app store that has apps that you cannot get from Apple. Now, just click on the link to go to VIPjailbreak.com. This is a modified version of Unc0ver, which jailbreaks every iOS device without adjusting settings or connecting to an external device. Now, you just click on the jailbreak button here and the download starts. You will be asked to confirm this, so click on Allow button, then when the download is completed, tap the Close button. Now go to Settings and find the new tab that says Profile Downloaded. Tap this to go to the Install page and tap this Install button and enter your passcode. Then, tap on this next button, then the Install button again, and then verify by tapping the Install button at the bottom. To complete a jailbreak, tap on the Unc0ver icon, then tap on this jailbreak button to jailbreak the device and install Cydia. You may be asked to complete a short verification process to confirm your device and iOS version. I have completed this, but this is a better version of Unc0ver, which has a bug and it is asking me to complete the verification, but I have already done that. So, you'll need to tap on the Continue button to go to the security checks to verify your device, and then your phone will be jailbroken. I have completed all the stages, and as you can see, I have successfully jailbroken the phone, and Cydia has been installed and it's working.